You've probably heard by now, state by state, wholesaling and signing contracts is going out the window. The first is get a real estate license. It won't be long. Real estate brokers will be teaching their agents how to wholesale and assign contracts. It'll just be another tool in the toolbox that will benefit both the agents and the broker. Number two is to learn how to do what's called a double close. This, you do not need a license because you're simply buying the property, closing on it, and then turn around and selling it at a discount to the end buyer. The fundamentals of a signing contract don't change. The only difference is you're going to build relationships with private money lenders and use what's called transactional funding. Transactional funding is just money borrowed to get the deal closed long enough to turn around and sell it to the end buyer. It produces a high rate of return for the person lending the money. A few $1,000s to borrow the money for an hour or however long it takes to get the deal done. The key is get educated on all aspects of the real estate industry. Wholesaling is just a tool in the toolbox of many different ways to make money through real estate. Follow me to learn more about how you can do this.